Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Xgene and proteinX. In this tutorial video I'm going to talk about Zdock server. So Zdock server actually is for the molecular docking online. So you can use it online, and it is very much convenient, and easily you can do molecular docking by using this server. So let's begin how to do it. So when you follow this link, you can get this kind of interface, and here the input protein 1 and input protein 2. So if you know the PDB ID of your protein, then you can put those PDB ID in both in protein 1 and protein 2. But also if you have the PDB file in your computer, then you can select from your computer. But here I know already that PDB ID because I did already before. So here is the PDB ID, this one, and another one, this one, and here you need to put your academic email ID, otherwise you cannot access Zdock server. And then this is the optional, so but you can keep it this Zdock 3.0.2, this is the latest version, and then submit. So after submission you will get this kind of interface. So the first one, it's showing that select residues to block from the binding site. So the residues that you don't want to use for the molecular docking, so this kind of amino acid residues you can block from here. So this is for the better result, so you need to do it. So here I don't want to do for the, I want to do only for these two amino acid residues for the molecular docking, and here I want to block all except these two. Okay, and here also the downside, you can also need to select the amino acid residues that that you want to do for the binding or molecular docking. So here only two, these two I want to use for the molecular docking. So this and this, and here this and this. So this is pretty much if you select this one, so you will get very selective molecular docking result, and then submit. So after submission you will get another interface that that you need to confirm that those you selected, these are right. So after checking this, then you just press OK. So then it's done. So within 3 to 4 minutes you will receive the mail. So it does not take more than 4 to 5 minutes, and then I can show you that what kind of mail you can receive. So first mail, that is that this kind of this ID, and that confirming that you submitted your job. And the next email ID you will receive the link, and when it is completed. So when you open this link, so you will get this kind of interface. So here you can see the top 10 predictions. So top 10 predictions, when you click this one, then it automatically download the zip file that containing all of the 10 predictions. So these all are the PDB file. So after receiving those, and then you can open it using your PyMol, and then you can process it accordingly. So this is all about the Zdock server tutorial. So I hope this video will be helpful. So if you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share it, and if you have any queries, kindly write in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and if you really think that this video is really useful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel.